When it comes to making a perfectly smooth plant-based smoothie, vegan bloggers know a thing or two. So to get a creamy consistency, first things first is you'll need a high-quality blender, and you can also add in plant-based milk or ice slowly as you blend, just to get a better texture and consistency to your smoothie. I made a chocolate and banana protein smoothie using Naturade's Vegan Smart All-in-One nutritional shake in chocolate fudge.
And I have the Very Berry Morning Wake Up Shake, and this is using vanilla creme. Another tip would just be to blend your smoothie a little bit longer for your desired consistency, or if it's still gritty and clumpy, you can try straining it. And the last thing I want to share is smoothie bowls are super popular right now and they're super thick, so if you got a thick smoothie, try a smoothie bowl.
2 scoops of Naturade's plant-based protein contains 20 grams of plant protein, whole foods, fiber, prebiotics, vitamins and minerals, and is only 150 calories. Cheers!